Aaron playing baseball.
You do it, baby.
Where's your big bat? Use your big bat, girl. Oh, now you're gonna pitch.
You don't need to pitch, right?
Oh, I did, Mommy.
I did it.
Aaron, why don't you hit the ball?
Why don't you hit the ball? Why don't you hit it? It's your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
All right, Aaron, you hit it.
Yeah, it's your turn. Your turn.
Yeah, everybody wants to see you hit the ball.
Why you don't want to play? Hit the big bat. Here.
Aaron, Daddy wants to see you hit the ball. Aaron. There's a rock in there. Aaron, are you going to hit the ball? I want to see you hit the ball.
Yeah, why don't you hit the ball? Alright, these last two and then it's your turn. Okay, it's your turn.
Use your big bat. Use the real bat. Why? You're a big girl.
You're a big girl. She was coming over there by you.
You got to hit the ball. Aaron, you got to get down on the ground.